Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can change Temu currency. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Click on the search bar and you just have to type Temu. Now press enter in the keyboard. The first results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result, that is Temu. And when you have logged in and signed in successfully, this is the interface that is shown to you. And when you are inside this interface, you just have to look in the top right hand side. There is orders and account button. Just click on there. And when you're inside this interface, you just have to look in the left hand side and scroll down until you see country, region and language. You just have to click on there. And in order to change the currency, you have to change the country or region itself, because there isn't any options for you to freely change your currency. So in order to change the currency, just go to the country and regions and change your region to the currency that you want to change. And when you switch to that region, your currency will be automatically changed. As you can see, I changed the region to Australia and the currency is Australian dollar. So this is how you can easily change Temu currencies. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.